susunod na programa ay may tema at eksenang hindi angkop sa mga batang nanonood.
I see a journey.
You are now about to hit.
Now fuck off.
Guess I got my swagger back.
Just like that.
Work it out of your mind! Work it out of your mind! Work it out of your mind! Let it out of your mind! Work your mind! I'm fighting! Work it! Work it!
Etong panoorin ninyo.
Drop that beat. Hey. Hey.
Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie.
Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my.
Hoy, laos na yan. Eto, bago.
Fresh like Dougie. 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 Fresh like. May I have your attention, please?
Take it to the head. I'm in my zone. Damn it, got my eyes closed. One shot, two shots, I'm gone. Take it to the head. I'm in my zone. Damn it, got my eyes closed. One shot, two shots, I'm gone. Now we gon' get fucked up. No excuses, no apologies.
This one's explosive.
Matofado gentleman. Matofado gentleman. Matofado gentleman.
Sabi dyan, ito walang sabi.
Alam mo ang ganda mo pala pag tumawa ang iyong mata. Hinahabol kong bawat mong tingin, ngunit ito'y di mo napapansin. Wala akong maipagmamayabang, forma ko pa simple-simple lang. Sino ba ako? Walang dating sa'yo. Di tayo bagay, sobrang mong ganda. Talaga, di ko alam hanggang kailan tayo. Di ko mabago ang ikot ng mundo, pero sama ka sa aming biyahe. Atin lamang ang araw na ito. Ang buhay o sinasakyan lang iyan. Di ko alam ang tungo kung saan. Pag sumama ka sa aking biyahe, iaalay ko ang puso ko. Okay, sarap mong kasama.